Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 3rd of May 2024, and day is Friday. This is the last trading day of the week, and we have seen a lot of ups and downs today. So let's talk about the price action that has taken place today, and in the process, we will also mark the key levels for the next week. Those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. As I told you, my name is Rakesh, and I am your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee, and I'll be quickly covering a few technical levels, like the key levels of inflection from where the price can reverse, and if it crosses and closes above or high or below and lower than that, then the price may continue further in that similar direction. So that is the say. Now, um, as I am an independent analyst, so whatever I'm saying here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank, or you cannot link it with Dukas Copy, because I'm just using the YouTube channel to showcase my own analysis, I will say. Okay, now this live stream, you can take it as education for education purpose, or for information, or to increase your knowledge, but you cannot take it as a trading advice. I'm not authorized to give you any trading advice, so please take it for information, or you can take it as an entertainment. And if you learn from this, if it is useful for you, you can use it, but I will not ask you to trade it directly. Okay, whatever I'm going to share with you. So in the process, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels, and we'll see how we can plan our trading near to or close to, or depending upon those levels that I'm going to share. These are nothing but essentially the key inflection levels, like I said before, from where the prices can reverse. Okay, so please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line, and do not trade with the live money based on this video. Yes, you can trade with the live money, but not based on my videos or webinars. Thank you very much for your understanding, and let's go through the risk disclaimer, because there is a certain risk that is associated with the trading in the foreign exchange market, because it is generally traded on the margin money. Now I'm speaking very fast today because I want to wrap it up faster. It should not be more than 15 minutes, so please help me, or bear it with me. I'll be going through it quickly. Now this is the dollar index 15-minute. I just wanted to make sure that there is no gap, but yes, there is a gap. I think this is because of the NFP news, so I'm going to daily again, because this is the most seen chart, and this gives us a lot of information. And we are also talking about the trading only based on the daily charts, or at the most we go to 4 hours. Okay, so a few days back we have discussed that this is the low that the price has to observe, 105.25. Now if that breaks, then the dollar can go down in the coming days. Now this is called a structured double top breakdown. Now what is a double top breakdown? If the price makes a high and makes a reaction low, and again if it makes another high almost of the similar level as before, and when it breaks down from this low, or it trades lower than that low, then it is called a double top breakdown. Okay, till the time this thing doesn't happen, it is not a double top pattern. Okay, or when it breaks, then it is called a breakdown, and when the price returns to it for a retest, and it doesn't go higher but goes lower, then it is called a neckline retest. So we want the price to go to the neckline now for a retest, and then we can say, okay, the double top pattern is confirmed. Okay, so now this is on the daily. On the lower time frames, you will see that the price may have gone there already. Okay, no, it has not gone there. So what is next? What we are expecting? We are expecting the price to go like this, okay, and then go back quickly. This is what we are expecting. So what is the next target for us? The next target for us is 103.62 on the downside, and we have a potential resistance around 105.25. On the 4-hour basis, the high of this candle is the resistance, but on the daily candle basis, this is the resistance. So if I switch to the daily, you will not see this candle. Yeah, see, you don't see this. So this is the ultimate resistance on the daily time frame, and this is on the basis of 4 hourly. Sorry, this is on the basis of 4 hourly. This is 105.76, and actually we can expect resistance at previous support, which is also the neckline, that is 105.25. so these are the key levels that you want to keep an eye on, and you want to keep them placed on your charts. Okay, so if I ask you what is the bias now in the dollar, so the bias is bearish. Okay, but based on the 1 hour, the price is headed higher. Why? Because it wants to go and retest this level. Once it retests and find resistance, then it will start going lower again. That is what is expectation. So the bias is bearish and we are looking for the selling opportunity. What is happening in the pound? But okay, now here we can see that the pound has broken higher. Now this is 4 hour. I will go to 1 day first, and then it will have, you'll have a better understanding. So the pound has broken higher than the price mark of 1.2578, which we were expecting it to break, and now it has gone again to the area from where it started the day. Now this looks like, oh, there's a lot of sellers over here, so the price is headed low. No, the market structure is broken. That is more important. Now it can go lower, but it has to find support at the lower levels for going higher. So now let's go to the 4 hour. So where can it find support? Anywhere above this high, this low is around 1.2471. Anywhere above this low, if it finds the support, it will be sufficient for the prices to be pushed higher. All right, so based on the 4 hour, this is the low. I don't want to mark this low, but you just understand that 1.2471 is the level. But if you switch to the daily, then you will understand that yes, on the basis of daily also, this is now the low. So bias is bullish till the time the price is trading above this level. 1.2465 is the level that I'm talking about. Okay, so how did we come to this level? That you have to understand. So the price was here. Before this, it was making a high low like this. Now it started making high low high. So can you say that this is a higher high than the previous high? And in between these two highs, what is the highest low? So this is the highest low. So 1.2465 is now our upswing pivot. Okay, it means that if the price breaks below this level, then we will start looking for selling opportunities. Till the time the price is trading above this 1.2465, we should only be looking for the buying opportunities in the GBP. I hope that is understood. So yes, the bias is bullish and the support is 1.2465. Now this is not the resistance. 2578 is not the resistance, it is broken. So the next level of resistance is somewhere here. But yes, because the price reversed from here, so this is intermediate resistance. So next week you may find it hard for the buyers to push above 1.2634. But yes, the bias is bullish, and now the upside to 1.2709 is exposed. What about the euro dollar? You see, euro is still sitting strong. Now I just want to remind you, once when the price went higher from here to here and then came here, I said that this is an opportunity for us to go long. Now that time the price was around 1.0610 level. Now it is 1.0760 and made an intraday high around 1.0812. So I was here when I said that now is the time to go long. I'm not trying to boast about it, but yes, there was a market structure change. Whenever the market structure changes, this is what happens. Now it is free to go high because it is clear for everyone, it is evident that the prices are going to go higher. But this falling channel is trying to stop the prices. Yes, but whenever the price comes back to this area, the buyers will find it suitable for them to buy, and there's a high probability that the price will go higher towards 1.0885 levels. So the bias is bullish in this one, whereas the support has come up here because this is the highest low that the price made before it made this high, and the previous high was this. So in between these two highs, what is the highest low? This one. So this is a valid low now. All right, I hope you also learn how to mark your highs and lows in this respect. So yeah, what about the Australian dollar? Similar, something similar. Even Australian dollar has broken this weekly high also, which the previous. So you can say that on the weekly also the market structure has changed for the Australian dollar. Look at this now. High, low, high. No, it has not changed. So it has to break through 0.6668 before it happens. So it is only on the daily basis, and the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So if you switch it to like this, so between these two highs, what is the highest low now? This one. So we switch it to this one. This is your support now. What is the next level of resistance now? After this resistance, this is the resistance. So you can actually delete that, and 0.6668 is exposed, which is also the weekly high. I think it will not be that easy for the price to break that, but yes, after certain pullback it can go higher. So the bias is bullish in this one also. New Zealand dollar, similar thing. The price broke the market structure. We got another opportunity to fill. Price went higher, although it fails to close almost. Now this we have 3 hours and 44 minutes to go, but if it fails to close above 0.6015, it will not be seen as a good thing. It will be I think it's a bearish mark for the New Zealand dollar, or you can say that the New Zealand dollar may not be able to stay above 0.6015 for much time and go beyond 0.5933 towards 0.5852 very soon. This if it fails to close higher than 0.6054 6015. Okay, but yes, the market structure is bullish, so let's hope that the price is able to find some support around inside this triangle on the trend line. If it does so, then there is a possibility of the prices going higher. USD CHF, finally it made a lower low than this low. 0.9010 was the support that we were expecting on this one. Now it has broken the support, but is again going higher. Now if it closes inside the channel, then it will be bad for the bears, those who pushed the prices lower but eventually closed it high. The bulls were able to close it higher inside that channel. If it happens, then there is a high probability that will go towards 0.9156 and 0.9245. But if they fail to close inside this channel, then again there is a possibility of the price going to 0.9010 and maybe even towards 0.8893. So I'm not certain about this because it is right now moving on the trend line, so I'll just stay away from this, okay, and wait for the clearer price action. USD CAD, bullishness here. US dollar is still better than the Canadian dollar. I'll say I'll make another channel here with this information, all right, and this information, and I'll try to extend it to the right side so that I have a clear picture of what is happening. I'm expecting the price to go higher, and even 1.3632 level is holding good here, but till the time the price doesn't break higher than this falling channel, I will not be buying this market. Talking about the USD JPY, we had talked about this, that this area may act as a good support for the price, and anything below 150.81 I'm not buying the USD JPY. But yes, if we see a market structure change above this, then it will be a very good thing for the US dollar against the Japanese yen. But looking at these candles, I don't think that it is going to happen. Even if it rises from here, I think the sellers will look it as an opportunity to go short. So yes, the market structure has changed below 153.58. Any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. You can also keep that in your mind. Support on the downside now is 150.81. New Zealand CAD, it is going higher. Why it is going higher? Because Canadian dollar is very weak today, very weak. Why it is weak, we'll come to know when we see the Brent. But yes, the Canadian dollar is very weak. Maybe because of some news or something, but now the market structure has changed again, and any fall towards 0.8169 should be seen as a buying opportunity with the target of 0.8248. Bitcoin, a drop below that did not act as a resistance. The price is trying to rise. Has it taken this liquidity and is trying to rise higher? We are not sure, but it looks like yes, it is. Yes, it looks like that there is a lot of buying here. These instances of fall are not being respected. So any rise higher than this high of 64,756 will remove all the clutter that is there, and 66,921 will be exposed again on this one. Right now I will say stay away from the Bitcoin also. We are not sure. Once if the price trades higher than the high of this particular candle, that is 64,756, then there's a possibility of returning back to 66,921 and maybe even beyond that. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, but do not trade right now. Yeah, Brent. So that's why I think Canadian dollar is weak, because of the Brent going to dustbin, and this looks like dustbin only. 81.11 is exposed, even 76.66 will be exposed beyond 81.11. So it is like a break, retest, and go down. So this is a classic example of a breakdown to the downside. Now the resistance for this market is 84.61. So keep an eye on that. Okay. Support 81.11 is the first support, 76.66 is the second support. Gold consolidation, nothing much. 2324 resistance and 2228 is the support. See guys, I can talk about this all day, but there's nothing to talk about today. And the price is trying to cling to the resistance. It is like knocking at the resistance again and again. Now the price is making higher highs and higher lows, at least in this time frame here, daily. And if the price fails to go lower and breaks higher than this from here, you see, if the price breaks higher from here like this today, then this will become a very good support for the price to go back towards 39,956 and maybe even 41,138. So keep an eye. I think it is the time now, because if the selling had to happen, it would have happened on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday failed to put it down. So that means that the buyers are still trying to take control and they are buying at every possible level. So I'm expecting the price to break higher very soon. This is what my expectation is. Euro JPY, well, yes, this is a classic market structure break, and now the next target is 162.27. Beyond that is 160.21. Keep an eye on the resistance around 165.65, which I am expecting. GBPAUD, pound is very weak, Australian dollar is very strong, so expect a sell-off. I think we have talked about this, that there is a huge sell-off coming in the GBPAUD. So the target is 1.8590. Keep an eye on this one also. Now the resistance is actually 1.9116. Whenever you see the price close to 1.9116, you would like to short it with the higher prices as a stop loss and the lower prices as the targets. CHF JPY, bearishness in this one also. Expect 166.56 to break. Once that happens, then 162.12 will be exposed. Any high or any rise toward 169.56 may be seen as a selling opportunity. AUD New Zealand, we are buyers in this one. See, I am bullish in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand. But why this is a sell-off here? Because this is a weekly and the monthly level where the price is, say, digging his head. So it's difficult for the Australian dollar to rise against the New Zealand here. But yes, after some time, you will expect some up move when the consolidation is over. This is not a sell-off, this is a consolidation. So when that happens, I think the price will go very fast towards 1.1383 levels. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that. All right, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you on next week, Monday at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, enjoy life.